Good morning to all of you. I would like to give my love and affection to all the present school teachers, senior students, ex-students, and to all the school students. Today we are gathering over here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. Before 25 years, on this day, we get independence from the slavery of British Empire. All of you know how we get this independence, how many patriots and great leaders sacrificed themselves for the freedom. They were totally selfless. They have sacrificed each and everything of their lives. Their wealth, their family member, their happiness, everything. And they were known about the facts, the what for what they are sacrificing. They will not get this happiness. They have sacrificed each and everything. For whom? For the new generation. For the coming India. And as a result, we all living in the independent India. Now, we have each and every type of rights by which we can get educations, we can obey our religions, we can stay in any part of the India. This is only possible after the independence. Nowadays, we are living in the independent India, so till the end of our life, it's our duty to give the respects to our nation and to all the national leaders, to all the freedom fighters, and still our army, our soldiers, our policemen, they are always ready for the welfare, for the country people, for the general human being, to the all human being. So it is also our duty to give our pay and respects to these all the peoples. Now, at present, we have lots of duties to maintain this independence, to maintain the glory of the India. As we have heard earlier that our forefathers, our ancestors, they were saying, क्या सारा जिंदगी खेलते रहोगे, कुछ बनना नहीं है क्या? Okay, but nowadays with education, games and sports are very necessary. If we are not giving ourselves, if we are not involving ourselves in the sports and game, we are lagging behind. We will not go through the society, because game and sports, it not means that you are going to become a sports person. You are going to win the Olympic. Game and sports is such a medium by which we can make our fit, we can improve our concentration, by which we can devote ourselves in each and every field. Like you all know, in bike, in cycle, in machines, in everything, we give lubricants we give moving, we give why? Why? To run the vehicle smoothly, to run the buses smoothly. Like that, we are students. If we will study whole day, then our mind will not run smoothly. So, if you want to do something in the life, so we as a lubricant, we have to choose some events, we have to choose some sports and games by which we can improve our fitness, by which we can improve our concentration, which will help us to improve our study and mental conditions. Nowadays, sports is such a thing by which people can earn fame and money also. By becoming nowadays, everything definition has changed. I have observed before 15 or 20 years when the 12, they have few options: physics, chemistry, math, and arts, commerce. They have only such options. But nowadays, there are lots of options, and which is much better than the old traditions. Earlier, we were choosing common subjects. Still now we are doing this, but there are special types of studies like animation, like mass communication, multimedia, lots of things. By which, if you are doing such things, there is a security that you will get chances to establish your futures. So like that, day by day, civilization is changing. Our each and every part of the world getting modernized. So it's our duty to change our thinking. So you now all of you are students. So it's your duty. Whatever you do it with your deep intention. If you don't have intention, nothing will happen. So on this auspicious day, just I will recommend to everyone, whatever you are doing, I am not telling you to do only such special subjects, not means only devote yourself in study. I am saying whatever you are doing, in each and everything, you give your 100% energy. While you are playing, you give your 100% effort over there. At that time, don't think what the teacher has taught you, what the teacher has told you, what your parents has told you. Don't think anything. Just forget everything on that time. And with your deep intention, with your physical body and with your mental, you just play at that time. On the same way, while studying, don't think anything. What your friends have said, what your colleague has said, forget everything. On that time, just give yourself on study. This is the only way. This is the only way by which you can get success. And if you are not following this one, then you can't do anything. Okay? So on this auspicious day, once again, I am paying my respect and tributes to our great nation, India. And as an Indian, I will always try what I have to do to increase the pride of our India. So it's my advice to all of you, do something in the future by which the family of yours, neighbors of yours, society of yours, and your nation will feel pride on you. Thank you to all of you.